Good morning, grade 7s. Today in maths, we are looking at percentages. All right, for those of you who can remember, you guys did percentages last year in grade 6. Not too difficult, should be able to manage it. Let's have a look at some sums and go from there. All right, so the first thing to remember is that percentage is always over 100. So when we think percentages and we want to turn percentage into a fraction, we would always write it. Let's say you were very clever and you got 100% for your maths, then it'll be 100 over 100. Let's say you had 76%, it'll be 76 over 100. So percentage is always over 100. Let's look at some common ones. So 25%. Let's look at 75%. And let's have a look at 10%. So 25% would be 25 over 100. Now how can we simplify that? 25 goes into 100 how many times? Goes into it 4 times. How many times does it go into itself? Once. Let's look at 75. So here we have 75 over 100. Here again, what can go into 100 that can go into 75? 25. 25 goes into 75 3 times, goes into 100 4 times. Let's have a look at 10%. It'll be 10 over 100. What's the biggest number that can go into both of those? Well, it will be 10, of course. 10 goes in 10 once and goes into 100 10 times. So that's how simple it is to take percentage and make it into a fraction. But now we're working with decimals as well. So how do we do this? What is 1/4 as a decimal? Well, we know it's 25%. So a quarter would be 0.25. 75%, which is 3/4, will equal 0.75. 10%, which is 1/10, equals 0.1. All right, guys, so there you have the first little bit of percentages. So please go ahead and do exercise 6.8, do number 1, and then I will do another video and we'll go on from there.